Hi, I'm Nicole Belanda. I'm the Customer Advocacy Program Manager at Rockwell Automation, and we're here to talk about results achieved. I'm joined by Nikki and Andy from the Shyft group to talk about some great results that they've achieved. I'm going to have you introduce yourselves quick.
I'm Nikki Q, the ERP Manager at the Shyft group, and I have been using the Plex application for approximately 15 years, and I've been with Shyft for about a year and a half.
Andy Anderson, Vice President and CIO at the Shyft group. Been there for 4 years and in industry and manufacturing 25 years. Shyft Group is about $1 billion manufacturing company, and we are in a couple different locations. We do last mile delivery trucks, so very large trucks for delivery packages, which is very popular these days. Also, we do vocational trucks, we make RV chassis, and we do police outfit. So the challenge we had was, the industry is looking to move to EV, and they're looking for commercial grade vehicles. And when we went out to try to find a chassis that was going to solve that commercial grade type long-term structure that you need for a vehicle like that, there just wasn't one available. So we kind of took our historical capabilities in chassis building and RV and applied that to the delivery trucks. So we built our own from the ground up, as well as the body on top of it. So we became a full OEM of delivery trucks. So we have a lot of history in manufacturing, a lot of history in building these, but we wanted to treat this new Blue Arc brand as a startup in terms of the speed that we could move the prototypes to production, and Plex was kind of the backbone that we built it off of.
So Plex came into play because we needed a solution where we were able to use a system in real time, not kind of have everything on spreadsheets and disparate communication. So we were able to spin up Plex in approximately 2 weeks.
That is a very speedy implementation. Was there some change management going on behind the scenes that made that possible?
Right, if you're gonna spin up something that quickly, you have to have people who are dedicated and who understand both the product needs and the requirements, as well as the system and the application, in order to work together to achieve those types of results.
And what exactly is going into the Plex system?
So the Plex system, you have your supplier purchase orders, your pricing, you have your part information, you have your receiving and your receipts, your accounts payable, as well as some inventory information, so that we could understand kind of our demand for materials and what we had available in order to be able to build our prototype.
Is it different than it would have been if you had done this all with a manual process instead?
I think that transition would never have happened as smoothly as it did if we didn't start out the way we did and have the foundation. So it's a commercial grade in terms of the chassis. It's fully electrified, with a custom built frame rails and design with, commercial grade braking systems and everything else related to it. Ground up technology with lightweight composite components that go inside of it. So it's lighter for the end fleet users so that they can deliver more package, lighter weight. It's a longer range for the vehicles. So we have over a 220-mile range for the delivery vehicles, which is really perfect for those last mile delivery companies.
It's such an interesting application of electric vehicles because you have these vehicles that are all going to be going back to a center at the end of the night. It's just the perfect marriage of electric vehicle and something where we really need to make a sustainability change.
Yeah, we really feel like it's a perfect use case where we don't have a lot of the infrastructure challenges. Like you said, it's back to one home at the end of the day. Workers come there, they take the packages out, they do their runs, and then they bring it back to charge overnight.
I'm so excited that Rockwell Automation can help out with this application and play a part in this as you bring this to the market. This is going to be a game changer. Thanks for sharing your story, guys.